Junkyard Gems by Zabos Customs. Look what we have here. Big old Continental. I want to talk about a massive engine. Look at all this room up here. Fold out headlights. And that beautiful grill, which is still on the car. Let's see if we can get inside. I used to love these little peekaboo back windows. So it's a 72. I mean, we're talking massive. Look at all this leather. And the crazy dash. There's your Cartier clock. Yes, I'm sure it worked really nice. And let's see if we can get some mileage report here. 92,677. There's your little warning lights. Your very fancy cassette player. Your shag carpet. And the massive trunk that you would use for hauling your bodies around, I suppose.